Welcome to Velvet Vista Hotel, where comfort meets luxury. Book now!
Good morning, madam. Welcome to Velvet Vista Hotel. Do you have a reservation with us?
Yes, I have a reservation.
May I please see one valid ID so I can verify your reservation?
Sure, here is my ID.
Thank you, madam. We have your reservation details. You are Miss Abigail Orcales. You booked a standard room for 3 days and 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Here is your registration form. Kindly sign here. According to your reservation, the total amount is 7,000 payable in cash.
Here is my payment.
Thank you, madam. I have received 7,000. Here is your guest folio, key card, luggage tag, and the breakfast coupon. I will send a bellwoman to assist you with your luggage. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. I will assist you for today. May I ask if there is any fragile items inside your luggage?
No, I don't have.
May I have your luggage tag and guest folio?
Sure.
This way, ma'am. Your room number is 403 located on the first floor. You will use the stairs, ma'am. Ma'am, allow me to introduce our hotel facilities. So first, we have the bar on the ground floor. Here's our bar, ma'am. Okay. Next, ma'am, we have also the restaurant. This way, ma'am. And here our restaurant. You can also have a dinner. And last but not the least, ma'am, this way also. We also have cafe. We also drink your favorite smoothie or anything. You can sit down, ma'am. Ma'am, this way. We are now here, ma'am. Please tap your key card here. When the green lights appear, the door is unlocked. Thank you for choosing Velvet Vista Hotel. I hope you enjoy your stay here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. This is the front desk. We would like to remind you that your checkout time is 12 noon today. We would like to extend your day.
No, thank you. I will check out today.
Would you like us to send a bellwoman to assist you with your luggage?
No, thank you. I can manage.
Very well, ma'am. We will see you at the front desk. Thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am. How may I assist you?
I would like to check out today.
Okay, ma'am. I will just call the housekeeping department to check first your room. Housekeeping, good afternoon. This is the front desk. May we please confirm the room status of room 403? The guest is checking out.
Room 403 has been vacated, inspected, and cleared. No damage or left items were noted.
Thank you for the confirmation. We will proceed with the guest checkout. May I have your luggage tag, guest wallet, and key card? Thank you. So you have remaining balance of 2,000. Would you like to settle your payment cash or credit?
Yes, I will pay in cash.
Thank you. Please sign. Please sign at the bottom here for official receipt. May I take a few moments of your time to introduce our card membership?
Yes, sure.
Our membership offers 10% discounts on rooms, 15% discounts on spa and services, 20% discounts on food and beverages, and free access to the fitness gym. Would you like to avail this membership?
Yes, I would like to avail it.
Thank you for choosing Velvet Vista Hotel. We look forward for your next visit.
Thank you.
Once again, thank you for choosing our hotel.